In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a report in Dashboard in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a report on your dashboard, pick the right data source, and fine-tune a few key settings so it looks and works the way you expect. Start on your dashboard and look to the right-hand side for the vertical toolbar. Click the plus sign to add a new widget. This opens a list of widget types. Choose Report. A setup panel will appear on the right side of your screen with options specific to the report widget. In that panel, click Add Report. You'll be prompted to browse your items and select the data source you want to display. In most cases, this means selecting an existing Smartsheet report that already pulls together the rows and columns you need. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the right report, especially if you have multiple versions or similar names. When you're ready, click OK. You'll see your report data appear directly on the dashboard within the new widget. What shows here is driven by the report itself, so if a column or filter is missing, that's usually defined in the report configuration rather than the dashboard. This makes the dashboard a great window into your existing work without duplicating effort. With the report now in place, look back to the right side panel for customization options. In the title section, add a clear, descriptive title so your audience knows what they're looking at. Short, action-oriented titles work well, like Weekly Project Status or Open Risks by Owner. If there's important context, use the subtitle or description area to explain what's included or how often it updates. Next, check widget behavior. This controls how the widget responds when someone interacts with it. Depending on your setup, you may be able to let viewers sort and filter within the widget, or allow them to open the full report for deeper analysis. Choose what best fits your audience. Quick glance in the dashboard, or easy click-through for details. Then review viewer mode. This determines the experience for people who can see the dashboard, helping you keep it simple for viewers who just need to monitor while still giving power users the ability to explore when appropriate. When everything looks right, go to the top right and click Save. Saving ensures your changes are captured and the widget is live on the dashboard. That's it. You've added a report to your Smartsheet dashboard, connected it to the proper source, customized the display, and saved your work.